Iara and the Memory Map? Iara's grandmother, Lucia, held an old yellowed map. It was a map made of ink and dreams, showing the winding rivers and shadowed forests of Brazil. "This isn't just paper, Iara," Lucia whispered. "It's a treasure chest of stories." Their first journey on the map took them to the heart of the Amazon. The river was smooth as a mirror, reflecting the sky. The calls of monkeys and the hum of unseen insects filled the air. "It's so alive," Iara said in wonder. "It feels like the forest is breathing." Grandmother Lucia pointed as a pink river dolphin surfaced. "Nature," she said, "is the oldest storyteller. You just have to know how to listen." Iara listened quietly, and she thought she could hear the song the river and the forest whispered. Next, they traveled to Salvador, where time beat to a different drum. Cobblestone streets twisted between buildings painted in every color of the rainbow. The air was sweet with the smell of spices and the sea. Lucia led Iara to the heart of the Pelourinho. "Listen to these stones," she said. "They tell of the laughter, the music, and the strength of the people who came before." Iara closed her eyes and imagined the sound of distant drums. Their next stop was like a journey to the edge of the world, Iguacu Falls. The water crashed down with a roar like thunder, filling the air with a cool mist. It was so powerful, Iara felt she could feel the very heartbeat of the earth. As the mist settled on their faces, a rainbow arched over the water. "Every drop has a memory," Lucia shouted over the roar, "of its journey from the mountains to the ocean." Finally, they soared above Rio de Janeiro. From the top of Sugarloaf Mountain, the city was a mosaic of sparkling lights and dark hills. The statue of Christ the Redeemer watched over it all with open arms. "Do you see?" Lucia said softly. "The beauty of Brazil isn't just in the forests or the waterfalls. It's in the hearts of the people, in their music, and the cities they've built. It is all part of the same story." Back home, Iara looked at the map again. It wasn't just lines of ink anymore. She could see the song of the rivers, the rhythm of the cities, and feel the warmth of her grandmother's voice. The map had come alive, and she knew that one day she would add her own stories to it.